Okay, hello everybody. This is Texas Danny, or Danny in Texas. Today's date is July the 16th, 2021. Early Friday morning. It's a little bit half past midnight here. Some brief things I just want to point out to everybody. If I try to go into detail, it'll be too long. Please bear with me and pay attention to Mount Denali in Alaska, which is fuel. Incredible amounts of fuel, which is in transformations to British Columbia and Alberta, the entire American West Coast, the Gulf of California, Baja California, northern Mexico. I've underreported deliberately on northern Mexico for reasons, but we have a lot of elevation issues going on with the American Southwest, which are really changing. They're dropping big time right now. We have the Yellowstone supercaldera is making its tracks east, going up slightly northeast, and is pushing certain more changes up into Montana. Now, Texas has a huge plate that's in rotation right now out west, along with the changes that are going on in northern central Mexico, the Gulf of Mexico, what I call the Honduras tract, and what I call, the Barbados tract. The Barbados tract is in slow, steady, constant movements, and she's having her effects and her changes to all of northern South America. We have the Amazon in tremendous changes. We have Brazil in her on her Amazon line are just radically changing because all that water's down there, folks. Eastern Brazil continues to keep opening up, right? We have Brazil right now, Argentina, Chile. Everything is in flux. We have activity that's coming out all the way from Easter Island that's affecting things. We have like Antarctica on a super standby with a lot of effect changes. These effect changes are going to be coming in what I call the Angola tract, in the South Africa, the African Rift, and we're also having a new rift at the Chad Rift. What I call the Chad Rift is opening up. And it's having her effects as she comes out towards Nigeria and Cameroon. And it's causing retrocausality to change up. But I want to point out, the big thing to point out right now is what's going on with the Geneva Wave and out the Cape Verde Islands. As we have openings and we have separations all around Europe, the effects going into the Nordics, all the way through Central Europe with the Balkan tracts and Italy. This area is in dynamic fluctuations and changes. And this area is what's going to be needed to widen things out, because it's going to hit the Black Sea, go into the Caspian Sea. We have tremendous changes right now in Afghanistan and Iran. That's like a washing machine to me. See that magnetic flow? See the rotations? There's activity in the Gulf of Aden, the Arabian Gulf. We have all the way out to Odisha again with India, and this huge area up in through here, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan. All this is going to be in ready transformation. So, of course, it's going to affect the entire northern part of our planet, because Greenland's in effects right now, or whatever you want to call this thing. It's up to you. And the Central Asia is all prime. The juice, the water, the crystals, the silicon, the elements are all there. It's going to be flushing out, coming out into Asia, Southeast Asia, China. We're going to have a lot of changes from Lake Baikal. This geographic area right in here has had like 3 or 4 million years worth of changes in the last 6 months. Right through here, folks, for Lake Baikal. And there you go with water again, everybody. It's the fuel, the changes to northern Russia. Okay, we have the Marianas Trench is geared on ultra low gear, but they're putting the pedal to the metal, and that gas is coming out. Concerns for Nagoya and Yokohama, Japan. Okay, Tokyo. Of course, we have Australia, we have New Zealand out there like a wild satellite all by or else. Those long forecasted trends that are been told about Queensland are coming into place. We have Alice Springs in Australia is the center of some real big action. Look, we're going to have a lot of island activity, a lot of changes in the Pacific. We got Hawaii tracking out west towards California and towards Mexico. But again, the southwestern America is where it's at. Going up into the Salton Sea, right up in here, everybody, because this is all moving east. This is all moving east and ultra fast. All our areas are changing. We have changes to the capital, Washington, D.C., which continues to orientate further to a southeast position, growing closer with Baltimore. And I will mention, we have definite, no doubt about it, changes to Manhattan, to New York and Manhattan, and to the Finger Lakes, everybody. The Finger Lakes up in New York State are spreading out and widening. That's a big ripple going right through there, folks. Canada has a lot of changes going on. Get ready, because we're changing up here in Greenland, around the Nordics, Norway, Sweden, Finland, northern Russia, all of Europe. Doesn't matter where you are on Earth, you got a front row ticket. This is all changing fast, and it's all happening fast. So get ready, everybody. But watch this area. This is a tremendous amount of water and fuel and material that we'll need to separate these plates, and watch things go out. And the Sahara is going to change rapidly, as well as Central Arabia. Quantum Islands are noted for the southern Red Sea, and the middle of the Red Sea is a lot of changes going on, and a lot of activity heading right into the Suez and Giza. Okay, got to let you go for now. Texas Danny out.